Akenya mahota kumenya kambuni na andu aria makuruhanitio na kurehe cukari utakinyaniirie ikiro bururi-ini thutha wa ministry ya ugima wa mwiri kuga gicunji kia 60 gia cukari uria ikite ithimi ciaguo ndukinyaniirie ikiro. Makiaria riria magwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya hamwe ya mbunge igii urimi na iganda, maabitha kuma ministry ya ugima wa mwiri matongoretio ni mwandiki mukaru Peter Tum ni maugire ithimi icio irutitwo miene itiganite bururi-ini thutha wa ruhonge rwayo mwena wa Mombasa gwikia mateta cukari ndukoretwo gikuo na njira iria ibatie na uguo waya gukorwo tari mwega wa kuhuthirwo.
The results have shown that 60% of the samples analyzed did not comply with the national standards KEBS 749/2010 specification of that range, which is 0.2 to 0.15% moisture content for brown sugar and light brown sugar respectively, making the lots unfit for human consumption.
Ona kuria uguo ministry no ni yuririo gutemania maritwa maene cukari uria uthimitwo no gakorwo utakinyaniirie ikiro niguo matemanio mbunge-ini muthenya wa ramithi kamiti no ikiruta riboti yayo ya ihinda.
Now if I named, I will only name the batch, unfortunately, but the batch takes us up to the warehouse, to where this sugar is. Yes. Because if we name, the chances are somebody can actually know where this is. So we use batch numbers.
Ruhonge rwa guthurima wigiriku wa indo bururi-ini ruria ruma rwa mbere gwikinyia mbere ya kamiti ino ni ruithurire ati kambuni nyatu hari kambuni makiria wa 385 iria ciarehire cukari bururi-ini kaida-ini karia thirikari yaheanite kuri mundu wothe kurehe cukari bururi-ini no cio ciari na marua ma kurehe cukari utari mucunge.
Submit to the House, this honorable committee, that audits for the 4 farms that were licensed to process sugar is ongoing, and we shall be establishing if any of the sugars that we permitted them to use for reprocessing, if all the sugar that we have permitted them to use for reprocessing is accounted for, because we know what they imported, and we shall be able to establish that when the process is complete.
Maundu mauma maritu kuri ruhonge ruru kamiti ino ikenda KEBS gutariria kana cukari we no cuke ni urikitie kuingira thoko-ini na uria wanjikwa angihota kuthutukania na uria wama.
Mmesema sukari haina mercury, na kama mnaweza kubuka wale waheshimiwa tulikuwa pale Mombasa, yule mtu wa KEBS tuliongea naye alituambia watu wa KEBS hawezi jua kama sukari iko na mercury ama haina. Nayo kajo ya magavana kugera muikariri giti wa kamiti ya urimi kajo-ini iyo gavana Okodho bado ikendekithia kufunjwo kwa ruhonge rwa afa ministry-ini ya urimi ni gukorwo ni rukomete wira-ini.
In as much as we may say that sugar factories should be allowed to import, I think the same argument was used last time, but unfortunately, Bwana Chairman, it was grossly abused. The factories were supposed to import only the deficits, that is what they had projected to manufacture against their actual production.
Maya magithiaga na mbere abunge kuma icigo iria ikuragia igwa ni morite President Kenyatta athugunde kamiti ya guthikiriria mawoni kuma kuri muingi megie cukari.
Without your input, because it is important.
Anene akameme TV, Jeza kama wa Mwagi.
So basically, I want them to clarify one thing before you release.